We have done menstruation worksheet 5. Have any doubt in worksheet 5? menstruation वर्कशीट 5 में किसी बच्चे को कुछ डाउट्स है? हेलो बेटा, वर्कशीट 5 के किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कोई डाउट्स है मेंस्ट्रुएशन के?
नो सर।
विथ एग्जाम्पल्स हमने होमवर्क में दिया था. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट वर्कशीट 6. Worksheet 6 is related with volume of right circular cylinder. Have any doubt in worksheet 6? Have you done worksheet 6? What is your question in which you have doubt in worksheet 6? What is your question?
Part 6.
Have any doubt in worksheet 6?
सर 11 क्वेश्चन नंबर
नहीं, 11 से पहले देखिए. और भी किसी बच्चे को 11 से पहले किसी क्वेश्चन में डाउट्स है?
सर 10
10 से पहले देखिए. Have any doubt before 10 of worksheet 6? 8 से पहले किसी भी क्वेश्चन में डाउट्स है?
नो सर।
ठीक है. All of you must solve question number 3. सारे बच्चे को सॉल्व करना है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. All should have to solve question number 3. What is solution of question number 3? सारे बच्चे सॉल्व करके मुझे बताएं. Can you solve question number 3?
यस सर, बन गया.
हाँ, ठीक है. How you become able to solve this question? How you become able to solve this question? What is the answer of this question?
4312 मीटर क्यूब.
मीटर क्यूब, ठीक है. एंड अगर लीटर में करना हो किलोलीटर में, देन व्हाट इज द रिलेशन? This, if this volume is represented in terms of kiloliter, then how we become able to convert it in kiloliter? This is very interesting question. इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ बच्चों को शुरू से देखिए, कोई बच्चा हमसे डायरेक्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन पूछ दिया, एक क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, दिस इज नॉट ए वे. करेक्ट वे इज दिस, यू हैव टू सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम वन टू लास्ट. बच्चों को चाहिए कि शुरू से लास्ट तक देखें और शुरू से ही क्वेश्चन पूछना शुरू करें, न कि लास्ट क्वेश्चन. देखिए हम बता रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. पहले देखिए 1 का फर्स्ट. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Find the volume of a right circular cylinder if radius of its base is 7 cm, radius of its base is 7 cm and height is 1.5 decimeter and h is equal to 1.5 decimeter. We have to convert decimeter as in terms of centimeter or centimeter as in terms of decimeter, and it known as we know that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. Here, good afternoon, beta. Since 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter, therefore,
your phone's mobile battery is turned off, so I can't help you with that at the moment.
1.5 decimeter is equal to 1.5 into 10, 15 centimeter. So this 1.5 decimeter must be equal to 15 centimeter.
So I can't help you with that at the
Height
moment.
become 15 centimeter. Hence, volume of a right circular cylinder, volume of a right circular cylinder V is equal to pi r square h. This is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 whole square into 15. 22 by 7 into 49 into 15. 7 7 is 49. 22 into 105. centimeter cube. 2310 centimeter cube. That is your answer. Have you any doubt in it?
सर बोर्ड का ब्लड आ रहा है.
मैं बोल भी रहा हूं, बच्चे लिख लेंगे आंसर. वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर V is equal to pi r square h. Here radius is equal to 7 centimeter and height is equal to 1.5 decimeter. This 1.5 decimeter will be equal to 15 centimeter because 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. Hence 1.5 decimeter is equal to 1.5 into 10, that is 15 centimeter. Your height become equal to 15 centimeter. Hence volume of a right circular cylinder V is equal to pi r square h. This is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 whole square into 15. 7 7 is 49. 22 into 7 into 15. This is equal to 23 into 105. This is equal to 2310 centimeter cube. It is your answer. This is the answer of question number 1 first. After that, I am going to solve question number 3. Then remaining questions आप लोग पूछिए, जिस क्वेश्चन में डाउट है आप पूछ लीजिए. बस कंडीशन है कि 3 बार ट्राई करने के बाद पूछिए. सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे और 1 में 2 क्वेश्चन और है, रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. देखेंगे कि बच्चे से सॉल्व हो रहा है या नहीं. सॉल्व हो रहा है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. जो क्वेश्चन नहीं सॉल्व होगा हमसे पूछना है.
सर नोट कर लिया.
Very good. I'm just going to solve question number 3.
या
Question number 3. We have a water tank is cylindrical in shape and the diameter of its base is 28 meter. If it is 7 meter deep, how many kiloliters of water can it hold? This is your water tank. This is your water tank, which is cylindrical in shape and diameter of its width is 28 meter. Here, let ABCD be a cylindrical tank having the radius R and height H. Here R is equal to 28 by 2. This is 14 meter and H is equal to 7 meter. Hence, volume of cylindrical tank V is equal to pi r square into H. This is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 whole square into 7. 7 become cancelled. 22 into 196. This must be equal to 196 4,312 meter cube. 4,312 meter cube. Also we know that 1 meter cube, 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter. Therefore 4,312 meter cube is equal to 4,312 kiloliter, where 1 kiloliter is equal to 1,000 liter. One kiloliter is equal to 1,000 liter. Have any doubt in it? It is your answer. 4,312 kiloliter is the required volume of such given cylindrical tank. Means capacity of such given cylindrical tank is equal to 4,312 kiloliter. It is your answer. सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे.
सर कैमरा थोड़ा जूम करिए ना.
दिख रहा ना बेटा?
यस सर. सर नोट कर लिया.
Very good. Next one it is. Have any doubt after question number 3 in worksheet 6? सारे बच्चों को समझ में आई है ना?
यस सर. यस सर.
बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के बाद और कौन सा क्वेश्चन है जो डाउटफुल है? आप लोग अपना अपना क्वेश्चन पूछिए.
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5.
ओके. इसको रब कर दें.
यस सर.
Five. The radius and height of a cylinder are in the ratio 5:7 and its volume is 550 centimeter cube. Find its radius. Let देखिए बेटा यह रेशियो दिया हुआ है, इसलिए रेशियो को हटाने के लिए हम लोग x के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं क्वांटिटी को. let the radius and height, let the radius and height of a cylinder be 7x respectively. Then we have volume of a cylinder V is equal to pi r square h. V is equal to 22/7 into 5x whole square into 7x. कैंसिल हो गया 22 into 25x square into x. This is equal to 550x cube. And according to question, यहाँ लिखेंगे बेटा that is v is equal to 550x cube. According to question, 550 x cube is equal to 550 because volume is given as 550. Therefore, x is equal to 1. That is, x is equal to cube root of 1. That is 1. Hence, radius is equal to 5x. यहाँ आंसर लिख देते हैं. Hence, radius is equal to 5x. This is equal to 5 into 1. That is 5 centimeter. That is your answer. Have you any doubt in it? Have you any doubt in it?
No, sir.
कहीं कुछ डाउट है बेटा? सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. नोट हो गया?
Yes, sir.
सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए?
Note कर लिया, sir.
Very good. After that, have you any doubt in any question in worksheet 6? After question number 5,
Question number 8.
question number 8, yes. इसको रब कर दें.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, question number 8 is two solids of right cylindrical shape are 49 cm and 35 cm high, and their base diameters are 16 cm and 14 cm respectively. Both are melted and molded into a single cylinder 56 cm high. Find its base diameter. देखिए बेटा, already I have performed the figure. Already I have performed the figure according to given question. Your figure is this. Already I have performed the figure number 1, 2 and 3. In figure number 1, height is given as 49 centimeter and diameter is 16 centimeter. So radius become equal to 8 centimeter. As well as in figure 2, height is given as 35 centimeter and diameter is 14 centimeter. That's why radius become equal to 7 centimeter. These two a small cylinder is being melted and molded. इसको पिघला करके और एक बड़ा सिलेंडर बनाया गया whose height is 56 centimeter and diameter and radius is not known. Finally, you have to evaluate the diameter of the bigger cylinder having the height 56 centimeter. बहुत ही क्लियर है कि दोनों को मेल्ट करके और माउंट करके एक बड़ा सिलेंडर बनाया गया है. It means sum of volume of these two small cylinders is equal to volume of that bigger cylinder. दोनों सिलेंडर को पिघला करके बनाया गया है एक बड़ा सिलेंडर, यानी दोनों सिलेंडर के वॉल्यूम के सम को अगर ऐड करें, वॉल्यूम के सम को निकालें तो बड़े सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम के इक्वल हो जाता है. यानी सम ऑफ वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ दिस टू स्मॉल सिलेंडर become equal to volume of that given bigger cylinder having the height 56 centimeter. यहाँ according to question हम लोग लिखेंगे इस तरह से, this is your figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Volume of V1 is equal to this pi R1 square H1. This is equal to pi into 8 whole square into 49. This must be equal to pi into 64 into 49 centimeter cube. इसी तरह वॉल्यूम V2 of second figure pi R2 square into H2. This is equal to pi 7 whole square into 35. Pi 49 into 35 centimeter cube. And V3 volume of this bigger cylinder is equal to pi R square into H3. Pi R square into 56. According to question, नीचे लिख देते हैं, according to question, this V3 is equal to V1 plus V2. This is pi into 64 into 49 plus pi into 49 into 35 is equal to pi R square into 56. This must be equal to, मैं यहाँ ऊपर लिख देता हूँ, यहाँ this must be equal to pi R square into 56 is equal to pi into 49 is being taken as common, 64 plus 35. Pi is being cancelled. Therefore, R